I hope it's not swinging too much. Are we good? I feel like we're good. Morning people, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if this is your first time. Funny joke. So I leave the tripod for the camera. So I'm gonna use my belt and tie up the lens and tie it on the Ackee tree. So if you don't realize a little swinging, yeah, that is what is happening right here. So big up on yourself, welcome to the channel. Leave a like. Please leave a like, and if you're not subscribed as yet, please subscribe. So yep, I am still in the grill, still following Richard Brown and his movie making journey, and at the same time doing what I love, doing what I'm passionate about, which is video editing, shooting, cinematography, all of the wonderful things where camera is concerned. So yep, in the grill over by the golf course, got up early this morning, you know, do a little jogging, do some push-up, try to build some chest muscle, work on the cardio, and I don't know. So yep, but that's not what we're about in this video. Guess what we are doing? We are talking about the intimate scenes then, because you know Richard Brown movies, you know, intimate scenes, we're going to talk about that. So we're going to question some of these females in relation to the intimate scenes, and the reason why we are doing that is because I had my own personal experience when it come on to them intimate scene there. So yes, one little kissing scene business going. As in our upper body here, so you feel like flat out a little more or something. And the thing is, from that, I developed this new appreciation for females or women when they're iffy about those kind of scenes. And the female might never think nor nothing like that. But one whole heap of different kind of emotion. Like it's kind of weird when somebody in the room would want camera on you and then kissing business. No kissing, never kissing. We're gonna talk about it. We're gonna talk about it. But before we do that, we don't know how we do. We have to get some visuals. So we get some visuals, showing us some photos that I took earlier this morning. And then we get into talking about intimate scenes. I'm wanting to share an opinion with me in the comments, you know. How do you feel about kissing scenes? What if you were cast? What if you were cast in a movie to do kissing scenes? Probably it's not found, so it depends on how much I'm happy. But anyhow, we'll get into it. Get some visuals and talk about them intimate scenes. Yeah. So, good. Welcome again. Welcome, guys. The beautiful Carlanda. We did a kissing scene recently and she's going to talk to us about that. So, in a nutshell, how was it? What was it like? What was the experience like? I can be honest. I mean, I did have bad breath. No, I'm gonna have bad breath, but
I was so numb I didn't even know if you had a breath.
as in emotionless.
I was. It was. Well, I'm not going to say emotionless. I'm going to say numb.
Alright, what was your impression of me during the whole ordeal?
What the hell am I doing?
Oh, you think that's what was going through my head?
I was like, what is this? Oh my freaking god. I was like, so I was hovering.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm like, he has a beard. I don't like beards.
Who don't like? Tell me in the
well,
comments.
I don't like your beard.
What's wrong with my beard? Alright, may I groom it a little bit.
I like them when they're groomed and neatly done.
So it was funny, but you were comfortable, right? You were uncomfortable? We should take so long for answer.
I was there. I was uncomfortable.
I'm embarrassed. I'm officially embarrassed right now. However, for me, the entire ordeal was it terrifying because, and this is the reason why it was terrifying, as Mother mentioned before, as Mother told her before, it was your first time, Zin?
Yes, it was.
It was your first time. And you were so good at it.
Was I?
Yeah, you did. You were good. Like, at one point, I wonder
when I
if...
did this.
Yeah, I wonder if, like...
That you sweat.
Yes, don't make me start again. Yes, I'm a bit nervous. One whole heap of things that going. Or we don't know.
It was new.
Mm-hmm.
It was intense. There was a lot of tension.
Me, yes, me. You did. You look like you did.
I looked calm, but deep inside, even if I go on a stage to perform and I'm shaking. I remember one time I was performing and I had to stand because stage presence, moving around, blah blah. And one moment when I tried to move, I was literally shaking to the point where if I had made a pivot, I would have fallen.
You know how hard that is to believe. I mean, I believe you, but me think.
And
This man, how you work?
Great.
I did great.
No, I'm.
Oh yeah, you did great. Definitely did great.
I thought about if I look nervous, people are saying I look great. You did great.
So I encourage other females to come and like don't
Try
worry.
intimate scenes so I don't have to do it. Of course, why not?
No, not so you don't have to do it like what I want them, like what I said to them, like you're going to feel uncomfortable. Or...
It depends. Everybody's different. I mean, I'm not attracted to you, so it was.
I'm unattractive. All right, cool.
You're not unattractive. I'm just not attracted to you. So it was just normal for me. And if they're gonna come, or when they come, not if, when you come to do an intimate scene, you just have to get your mind within that setting. You are trying to become a professional actor. You are learning how to become a professional actor, and these are things that you're going to more than likely have to do, knowing that especially you're a female. So get your mind within that capacity to say, okay, I'm gonna have to do this. I'm not attracted to you. Nothing. It will feel normal afterwards. Blah blah blah. Especially because it's not a series or one of them, them long movies that you have to. You're one of the stars or the co-star, and you're gonna have to be doing this where you're gonna catch feelings or whatever. It's not going to happen like that for this sector.
Yeah, because I feel weird around you.
So exactly. So it's just something that you do and get it over with.
But I'm certain that if we had to do that all over again, would that be the same thing? Like, would I start weird out?
It would be so much easier for me now.
Did they have this virgin? Well, make sure you tell them that,
Oh, yeah,
you felt as if you were hovering a virgin.
Yeah,
the reason for that, people.
You embodied how I would react, which was weird. You were like what
she felt as if she was hovering a virgin. And let me explain. The reason for that is because
you were sweating profusely. Let us not leave that out. The sheets had to be changed.
It never that bad. Me I sweat like how me I sweat now. The room did hot. Me did nervous.
So the room was hot, and between you, me,
it was
and the
my
crew,
first time.
You were the only person.
Suppose me did have one erection.
Whereas you said the word painful, and I can't feel pain. I don't know.
That would be very embarrassing. All right. If I have somebody in the room with a camera on you and you're being asked to do this thing, something we're not supposed to be pretending. Like I don't think people should be that intimate or that close and like you're acting, like you're pretending. I mean, I understand the whole movie thing, but I feel like if you can do it there.
Try to kiss me. You remember that? That was funny. That was funny as hell.
I tried to kiss you?
You did.
I remember. That kind of tell me again. Hold on.
When I was there and you were like...
I was trying to hide the mouth part.
No, not that part. That was like after the 99th cut.
The 99th cut.
So before the 99th cut, I was like, what?
Oh, yeah, I remember. Yeah. No, that was when you said don't put your hand. You said something about don't put your hand there. This,
and I had to move your hand before that.
So why did I move my hand? May I try to hide the thing? Why I move my hand?
Because I was like, why am I hiding? I know we need to get this in one take, and then he's gonna make us have to do it over again.
I'm nervous. That's my explanation. I was nervous. So, and by the way, I'm not an actor. She's big up herself, 10 out of 10 actress, Carlanda. Yeah, might get one Oscar for just that scene there alone.
You are exaggerating.
Oh, serious thing, but... So, you would say to other females...
I'd say embody the character. Get in the frame of mind. Understand that you are at work. You're being professional. This is a part of the job. You're just giving a peck. Because it's not even like a French kiss. It was just... one of them things to
You're
give
not,
up on.
you're not, on a scale of 1 to 10, how you rate yourself as a kisser?
I'm a good kisser. I'm a good kisser.
Suppose your boyfriend have different for say. Oh, as I bring up
He
boyfriend,
wouldn't. He would not.
as I bring up boyfriend, do you think like Jamaica and the culture how it stay? Do you think the boyfriend would be a difficulty or a barrier when one female want to acting and them have to do these kind of scenes?
It would. I have.
So what you say to
heard
them
and
boyfriend
seen
though? What you say to
things.
them boyfriend?
Relax, bro.
Relax.
It's just a kiss, and they're coming back home to you. And most times, like me, they feel vague. It's mostly numbness. They're like.
So don't worry if your girlfriend kiss an next
they're
man in
like,
a movie.
Most
Don't
time
worry.
they'll be like, oh, me just in this nigga face, and I'm so petrified. I'm just gonna have to do this.
She
because
never
it's my
liked my
job
beard.
description. I didn't even like his beard. It was beard is.
Tell me if you
not
don't
my
like
thing.
my beard in the comments.
You need to groom that.
Well, like what me need for
We've
that? Like,
had this conversation so many times.
about my beard?
Yes.
I don't remember. When?
See that you're good at,
Not remembering?
or lying, whichever works in your favor.
I don't remember.
Mm.
But yeah, don't worry guys. So she was not, you were uncomfortable. She wasn't uncomfortable. She was having fun. She was laughing all of the time.
I was not uncomfortable.
No, me did uncomfortable.
I was uncomfortable.
What made you uncomfortable?
Everything. First of all, you were there,
All right, you continue. Yeah, so I was there.
and then the cameraman was there,
Mm-hmm.
and then everybody was there.
No, not everybody.
Who?
Colleen was there.
Was it?
Sabron, an intimate scene are going on also?
No, not yet. So called tongue soon go on.
Colleen, suck out tongue go on.
In can't take a kiss. A lot of females in Jamaica that are doing movies, they can't take a kiss because they will get a fist.
But Carolina did it last night.
Yeah, because
Was not a real one.
That was not a real kiss.
Ready, time up, cut.
You did say so, Ackeen?
Yeah, man, my dad sweat.
Nervous.
She said she feel like she did stand up over one virgin.
Nice.
Colleen.
Yeah. So no, as
Oh,
in like
I told Curious to get out.
why? I miss that part. Why you tell the right to get out?
That's disgusting.
Okay. Yeah.
It don't make
yeah.
sense.
Mhm.
Trust me, that make it way harder. That'll be funny.
Understand.
Too funny.
My head not cut off, I'm turning around. Okay, good. So, females,
You see all of the sunshine them about me? I'm gonna have an repellent.
I don't want to touch you.
Thank you. But you owe me a cream.
What else do I owe you?
An extra repellent won't hurt. It has to be for sensitive skin. It's the green one. It has go on the front. And it's
Alright,
so much-
before we end the video, let me see
that
how much
thing.
minutes we got if we need to go more. I don't know if I miss out any questions. If you have any questions for her in relation to intimate scenes, I'm trying very hard not to touch you, miss.
You're trying.
at them.
Almost.
So, at the first, me touch her from the video start.
You see, you have been weird about this. Me not even remember. Honestly, me not even remember.
Them girl are wicked, them wicked. If you can pretend that they seen there
you.
and just have one straight face, you can do it outside of that space.
No,
But anyhow,
what?
anyhow,
No, you're
anyhow.
not gonna anyhow from that point. You're not gonna make such a comment and then anyhow, with a skipping rope. Look at you. First of all,
Don't worry guys, if your girlfriend comes here and she kisses a guy, because more likely she won't like his beard, she'll be uncomfortable, and then afterwards she won't feel any kind of way.
I'm not
Anything
like
you
that
want to add?
outside. Me not gonna pretend for like somebody. If even people me like me ignore.
I'm not sweat again.
Well, would you look at that?
Sweat again. But thank you for your time. I owe you a cream
And a repellent.
and a repellent.
You're gonna present it on here?
If this video gets 200 likes, you get a repellent
Different
cream
Is that different from the money?
and
cash.
cash. I
I can get 200 people to like this, you know.
I think You see, these intimate scenes, a lot of time it has to do with how much you're being paid. So you'll be comfortable based on what you're being paid.
Depends, you know, because
Even if you're not
you have some
attracted to
people
the
where when
person.
they get all their money in the world, that will never happen.
Have you seen anyone like that on set?
No.
Okay. Good. So be an attractive man there then, that's what I said.
Attractive men that I'm not attracted to.
Alright, anyhow, guys, thank you for tuning. This is the beautiful Carlanda. First time I do one kissing scene, so I don't know, so she might stamp in my brain for
I
life.
made your day. I made your night.
You call that make my night?
Did you have wet dreams?
You know, my age no have wet dream.
You lying.
Candy, come in.
Yeah,
You don't know intimate scene with nobody, Candy?
You smell so good.
You smell good?
Me.
Wait.
You don't know intimate scene with nobody?
Altan. Hear me. Every time when I call it Altan,
It's not him.
You know what you like Altan? But
But
anyway, stop
Stop
straight. Look on it.
Stop. Altan have 3 head back.
Candy want phone, guys, come. She keep on us. Come, that's all.
So,
Candy need a phone. She does not have a phone. You single?
me single long time and the whole world know that up to Jesus.
So she need a phone, guys. So now I have to share the video. So what kind of phone you want?
Send in your applications.
Kind of phone you
S8.
want? S8. One like this. One like this.
Or essay on.
I need an S8.
So question, you know nobody do no intimate scene where they have to touch on them kind of
No,
thing?
me no want nobody come touch me up.
No, me ask you if you never do no scene with that. Me remember you and Richard I do one scene like that.
Me and him no touch up nothing.
So you not do no intimate scene for you?
Why you want me to do an intimate
No,
scene
me
with
ask if you
somebody
ever
that
do
we're
any.
not together with? And I'm not in a relationship with that person, so why should I do an intimate scene with him?
I got any video now, guys.
Henny to Claude. Henny.
So, thank you, Miss Carlanda. Thank you, Candy. I think we have one more smart to talk to. We want to talk to Miss Cully before.
And you see, anytime when I send the money to Ackeen to help make up by my phone,
Them not send me no money. They not send me
How
no
them a
money,
go
Candy. Them need to share the video so they can get views.
somebody that penny I go send money con give you. Not tell me nothing. My friend them, my fans them, we send money con give you, so you have to give me don't face.
Alright,
Go tell them.
no problem.
Love you now. Hey.
Like, come more. I will talk to the next person. I will talk to Miss Cully.